The topic is the cell. The cell is the basic unit of life. This topic is already present in third Form D syllabus. So, cell history. Cytology means study of cells. Robert Hooke is a scientist who discovered the cork, plant cork cells is there, no? That he studied. And Robert Brown, he discovered the nucleus. Matthias Sheldon and Szechuan, both are worked on the plant cells and animal cells. And Rudolf Virchow, he performed some of the theory. The cells are formed from pre-existing cells. That means the theory of spontaneous generation. The combined work of the Sheldon and Szechuan and Virchow make up a modern cell theory. The cell theory states that all living things are composed of cells, and cells are the basic unit of life. All cells are coming from the pre-existing cells. This is the internal organization of the cells. In prokaryote, cell membrane and cytoplasm only is there, and eukaryote, cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus and some of the organelles also present. We can see the comparison contrast. In prokaryotes and eukaryotes, commonly cell membrane and DNA, ribosome, cytoplasm, but only in eukaryotes, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, these are organelles present. See the prokaryotic bacteria. This is the prokaryotic cell. Next is eukaryotic cells is two types, and plant and animal cells. Eukaryotic example. So this is the anatomy of the animal cells. See the what are the organelles present in this diagram. Next is the plant cell. This cell has what are the organelles present. You can see it in this diagram. And we can compare and contrast of animal cell and plant cell, as both having these cell membrane, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosome, vacuoles and mitochondria and cytoskeleton. Animal centrioles present, plant cell, cell wall is present. And this is the typical animal cell. People are practice this diagram of the typical animal cell. This is the internal organization. Usually cells contain organelles like Golgi complex, mitochondria and chloroplast and nucleus. These are perform specific functions. This is the cell membrane. The cell membrane is made with lipids, proteins and carbohydrates. This usually is the bilipid layer. Is composed of protein molecules. Some of them are integral with lipids and some of are peripheral, and carbohydrates are attached to the proteins or lipids. And nucleus is the brain of the cell. The cell membrane is a porous in nature. It contains DNA in the form of chromatin, and nucleolus is present, and some of the nucleoli is also present. The nucleoli synthesize ribosomes. The ribosomes are responsible for synthesis of proteins and synthesis of some RNA. These are the ribosomes. These are the non-membrane bound organelles. It is mainly used for the protein synthesis. It is the protein factory of the cell, we call as a. This is the structure for the ribosomes, where it is located in the cell, and what is the structure and function, and cell type in both prokaryotic, eukaryotics also is present, and plant and animal cells also present. This is the endoplasmic reticulum. These are also having two types, smooth and rough. Rough means they are attached with ribosomes. Smooth for synthesis for the lipids, and rough synthesis for the proteins. And the smooth endoplasmic reticulum detoxification process also is be done. Next is Golgi apparatus. Whatever synthesized in the endoplasmic reticulum, that packed by the Golgi apparatus, and pack and stores and transports the materials out of the cells. So these are the structure of the Golgi apparatus and the functions: modification and sorting, packing and storage, and transports and manufacture the some of the macromolecules. This is the lysosome. We called as a suicidal bag of the cell. It is a recycling center. It is also a membrane bound organelle. Next is the centrioles. Centrioles is present only in animal cells. It is only responsible for the cell division. It is used for building of the cilia and flagella. The centrioles and some of the microtubule microfilaments make the cytoskeleton. Like our human skeleton, cytoskeleton is formed. The cytoskeleton is mainly responsible for the maintaining of the cell shape and for movement of the cell organelles. And mitochondria, this is the mainly powerhouse of cell. In this only ATPs are produced under metabolism of the macromolecules. This is the process how it is ATPs are produced. Here it will see the glucose and fatty acids and amino acids, how it is metabolized in the mitochondria and how they are produced the ATPs and oxygen carbon dioxide. This is the vacuole, is present in mainly in plants and protists, is small in animal cells. The storage of food. These are the overall cell organelles and their functions. A cell membrane, cell wall, nucleus, cytoplasm, mitochondria, chloroplast, vacuoles, and lysosome. We studied it.